Very good morning, everybody. I hope you have seen the last few videos. Today, I'll continue the last video. This is fifth part of active and passive voice. In my last four parts, I have taught you how to change the sentences from active to passive voice. And today's sentences are interrogative sentence, means questions. How to change questions and an interrogative sentence into passive voice. So are you ready to learn that? Have a look to the first question. Will she help me? Will she help me? See, I can teach you this question directly. But if I say directly, you may get confused. So let us go a bit longer. Let us try to change this question into a statement first. Will she help me? It's a question. How will you change it into a statement? A simple statement. She will help me. This is the sentence actually. If you change it into an affirmative, then it will be she will help me. Now first you try to change this. Okay. She will help me. I think it will be easier for you to understand. She will help me. How to change this according to the rules? First, me will come here. I will change this into, in my part 1 I have said will be. I will be V3 form of help. Helped. I will be helped by. She will change into her. This is also said. I have already said about these changes in the previous videos. So, she will help me. How will you change it into passive? I will be helped by her. Now, but this was not our question. Our question was, will she help me? In this case, will was at first. Now, what will you do? In this answer, you just bring this will at first. In this question, will was at first. We have put it after the subject. We will do the same. You just bring this will before the subject. So, now from here, it will come here. It means, will I be helped by her? It becomes a question and answer to this question. Will I be helped by her? I think you got it. Let's try one more question. It is of different pattern, ing form. Is she baking a cake? Change it into simple statement first. Is she baking a cake? It's an interrogative sentence. How will you change it into positive sentence? I mean affirmative sentence. You have to write she is baking a cake. She is baking a cake. Now how will you change it into passive voice? In my second video,
Yes.
she is baking a cake. Sorry, I forgot to write. In my previous video, I have taught this to you. She is baking a cake. First object will come. That is a cake. A cake is, as it is ing form, V4, baking, in place of ing, if there is ing, we use being, I said earlier. A cake is being, always we use V3 in passive voice, you already know this. A cake is being baked, B-A-K-E-D, baked by, she will change into her. If it is he, it will change into him. Let's go through the previous videos. So, she is baking a cake. Answer is, a cake is being baked by her. But this was not our question. Our question was, is she baking a cake? So, is was at first. Same thing we will do. This is you bring first. Is, this A will be small letter. Is a cake being baked by her? Question mark. This is our answer. Is a cake being baked by her? I'll give some more questions to you. Okay. These are the two questions. Have a look to some other questions of interrogative model. Okay. So here we have two more questions. Can you bring a book? First you change this it will be you can bring a book. Now change this sentence into passive voice. You can change it. I have already said in my first video. You can bring a book. Answer will be a book. This is object. Will come first. A book. Can will change into can be. A book can be. Bring will change into brought. B3. A book can be brought by you. In you, we don't make any changes. I told you earlier. So now here can, it was can you, but we made it you can. Same thing. This can was at first, but we placed it after the subject. Now the new subject is a book. Same thing we have to do. We have to give the correct place to can. Can was at first in the question. So in answer also you have to bring this can at first. So this will come here. A will be small letter. This can you had written, this has come here. Now here there will be nothing. So the answer is, can a book be brought by you? And question mark. Can a book be brought by you? Question mark. Here a different type of question. This is from my last video. I have already taught such type of questions. Does he play hockey? First change it into a positive sentence. Does he play hockey? It will be he. Does and play together. What does it make? Plays. V5. Does and V1 together it makes V5. Does he play hockey? So positive sentence will be he plays hockey. This is different type of question. Helping verb you have to give. You pay attention to this question and try to understand. He plays hockey. Change it. Hockey is, V3 will be played. Played by him. Now you may think, from where did I write this is? In my last video I have already explained. He plays hockey. In simple present tense or in simple past tense, helping verb may not be given. In that case, you have to give helping verb, and if it is in simple present tense, is am, or if it is in simple past tense, was were. Any one of that according to the subject you have to choose. Okay. So hockey is played by him. Here the helping verb was at first, it was in question form. You have to change the same thing in question form. So this is will come first. Is, and this H will be of small letter. Is hockey played by him? Is hockey played by him? So this will be the passive form of this interrogative sentence. Now I will give two more questions. Have a look to the board. So two more questions. Let us solve these two questions. Has Mohan done the work? Has Mohan done the work? Now see, same rule. First change is into, you have to change this sentence into a positive sentence. So positive sentence will be Mohan has done the work. Mohan has done the work. Now you have changed this sentence into positive sentence. Now change it into passive voice. How will you change? The verb is object will come first. The verb has been changed into has been. Though this is singular, we consider it as singular. It's not verbs, it's not plural, so it will be has. With plural subject we go with have. So it will be has been. Has changes into has been. Done by Mohan. The work has been done by Mohan. Now see the question. As it is an interrogative sentence, you have to change this sentence also into an interrogative sentence. So the work has been done by Mohan. Just you have to remove this has from here and bring it at first. Question mark. So the answer is, has the work been done by Mohan? Answer. Simple. See the next question. Did I make a mistake? How will you change this into a positive sentence? Generally you may face problem in simple present and simple past. For that you have to know how to change interrogative sentences into positive sentence. Here you see, did I make a mistake? So what will be the positive sentence for it? I did and V1 together it makes. In the before question I said that if there is does and V1, then together it makes V5. If it is did, V5 means S or yes form. Did and V1 together it makes V2. Okay. Like 250 rupee notes make 100. So like this is 50 rupees, this is 50 rupees and this is 100 rupees. Okay. In that way you can do. Did I make a mistake? Now when I will change this into simple sentence, positive sentence, did and make will make V2. What is the V2 of made? Made. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Now how to change this sentence into passive voice? I is subject, made is verb and a mistake is object. Object will come first. A mistake Now, as there is no helping verb, I said if there is no helping verb in present tense, simple present we use is and are, but this is past tense, made, V2 past tense. If there is V1 or V5, you understand this is present tense. If there is V2, then this is past tense. This is there in my first video, how to identify tenses. The very first video of mine will clear this concept. Anyways, a mistake was, as it is V2 past tense, it will be was. A mistake was made. V3 is also made. Make, made, made. A mistake was made by, I changes into me. A mistake was made by me. But it was a question. Now we have to change this positive sentence into an interrogative sentence. Our answer should also be a question. Because our question was an interrogative sentence, answer should be interrogative itself. So simple, like you have done in all other questions, this was will come first. Was. This A will be of small letter. Okay. Let me write it properly. Was a mistake made by me. Was a mistake made by me. Okay. So you can write some more questions. I have tried to give in one or two examples from each type of active to passive voice. I don't want to make this video longer, but still if you have more questions, more doubts, you can ask me. I will answer your questions. Keep practicing. Thank you.